It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 12th of November. I'm James Spann. We're going to be dry for a while, and noticeably colder air drops in here tonight, and many locations will be below freezing by early Sunday morning. Here's the upper air look. A very impressive upper low is developing over the western Great Lakes that will be propelling a secondary surge of colder air down here tonight. This morning, we've got some 30s north of Birmingham. Haleyville 37, Cullman 39. Birmingham at 49. Highs well up in the 60s today. Should be a very nice fall day with a good supply of sunshine. Now, we note there is a dense fog advisory early this morning for areas north of a line from near Jackson to Prattville to Heflin. Visibilities are quite restricted there, but that fog will dissipate by mid-morning. Also, there is a freeze watch for the counties here in blue. That is for Sunday morning. And that goes down into South Alabama, places like Grove Hill, Camden, and Eufaula. Temperature Sunday morning will likely be in the upper 20s and low 30s in many areas. And around the nation, winter weather problems up north. A blizzard warning for parts of South Dakota and Minnesota. Flash flood watches for parts of the Pacific Northwest. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. We got a marginal risk of severe storms from the eastern part of Maryland up to around Cape Cod and Boston. Tomorrow, maybe a rumble of thunder in the northeast and the southern tip of Florida. In day 3, Sunday, no thunderstorms across the United States. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the big numbers back in western Washington state. For Alabama, a little system toward the end of next week could bring some light rain to the Tennessee Valley, but latest model data really showing not much, in fact, nothing for South Alabama. Very quiet pattern for mid-November, which is fairly unusual. And the tropics are very quiet. And again, the season is in the process of wrapping up. So here we go, model fans, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Big trough developing in the east. And again, a really nice day today. Sunny with highs well up in the 60s. We note that little area of rain activity north of the state. That's along that secondary push of colder air. That'll be coming through tonight in dry fashion. Tomorrow will be a sunny day, noticeably colder. Areas north of Birmingham might stay in the 40s all day. Despite the fact that we're sunny, we start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the low and mid 50s in many areas. And this is Sunday, again, with a clear sky and light wind. Good radiational cooling, low Sunday morning. Upper 20s and low 30s in most places. At or below freezing. The high Sunday will be in the upper 50s. Monday, a sunny day. And again, another little push of colder air drops in. High should be in the middle 50s. Tuesday, we're sunny, highs in the 60s. Wednesday, we're dry. Again, we note that front north and west of the state. Thursday, the front wants to push through here, but the latest GFS basically dries the thing up with no rain at all. Again, we'll mention some chance of light rain late Thursday or Thursday night, but obviously not going to be a whole lot. And this is a week from today, Friday the 19th, a zonal flow and a dry air mass. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 21st of November. Got a deep vortex over the northern Great Lakes, another cold front pushing in with a chance of showers and pretty cold air mass back behind that thing. Here's rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble between now and the 26th of November. The mean, a little over 1 inch. Temperatures, there's the big spike down tomorrow. The high for Birmingham dropping to 53. It's got 33 in the city for Sunday morning, but again, many places will be in the 28 to 32 degree range with a freeze. Next week, we could spike up to about 70 on Wednesday, but mostly 60s and 40s next week. And the latest CPC outlook. This is for November 19th through the 25th. Temperatures around here near or maybe slightly above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.